Yes sir, welcome to my channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have 5 potatoes right here. We're about to go ahead and cut them into like 4 or 6. Try to keep the size the same so they can cook evenly. We'll make some roasted potatoes. Okay, so the potatoes cleaned all up. Now we just go chop them. 1, 2, 3. About the same. About the same. They don't have to be the same size. Just try to, try to make them. Okay, our potatoes is nice and rinsed. I'm gonna add some ice. Rinse them with cold water. And we're gonna let that sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so we have our water already boiling. Now we're gonna take our potatoes, put them in that boiling water. Okay, so we have our potatoes in there. We're gonna let them boil for about 25 minutes until they get a little soft. We're gonna use some of this no salt. And there we go right there. We're gonna turn the timer on to 25 minutes. Okay, so here we go right here, 25 minutes. Some of them might break, but it's okay. We're going straight through. Yep. Okay, so we go ahead and drain this water out. Okay, so here we go right here. Our potatoes right there. We'll add some more of that no salt. A little more. Help dry the potatoes. That's how you want your potatoes to look, just like that. Boom. There we go. Okay, so we have our oven preheated to 360. We'll use some of this vegetable oil. Okay, so we're gonna put this in the oven and let this heat up for about 10 minutes. Then we're gonna start cooking. Okay, so we just took the oil out. Now we go place our potatoes in there. Okay, so it's going in the oven for 20 minutes on 360. And I kept the skin to the potatoes. I rinsed them like 5-6 times. We're gonna keep these. We're gonna make these nice and crispy. Nice little snack. So I rinsed them like 5 or 6 times. Let them sit in the water for 1 hour. Boom, there we go. That's how we look. Okay, so here got our potato skin. We're gonna add some of that no salt. And some Cajun seasoning. Add whatever seasoning you want. Okay, so we have our roasted potatoes. Beautiful color. Now we're gonna let that oil drain and we'll get to the next. Okay. Okay, so we have our potato skin right here. Yeah, the roasted potatoes, it took a little longer than I thought. I would say an hour. It took a whole hour for that. And remember, everybody's oven is different. I had to put my oven, change it to 420 instead of 360. So I changed it to 420. And that's a whole hour right there. A whole hour. So I'm gonna try on here because the back bed is still hot. It's been in the oven. But we're just to get these nice and right. And I hope y'all enjoy my little video. Just make it happen in the kitchen. What I love to do. Okay, we have our little bacon bits. I just want to give them a nice little color. I ran out of bacon. I'm using some bacon bits over here. Let's get my nice little color. That's all. And that everything is done. It's the last. Now it's time to put this good food on a nice plate. And we'll close this video. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen in this good kitchen. So we have our roasted potatoes. It took a little longer than what I thought. Like I said, everybody's oven is different. So it took an hour for this right here to get that color. And yes, it's good. And here go our potato skin. You know I had to keep that. So that's that Cajun potato skin. With the bacon bits on there, a little bit of cheese. We have our ranch dressing. So I done did my thing in this good kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Now that I had a good time filming with y'all, don't forget hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good afternoon. God bless. Hit dice.